So I'm using medium worsted acrylic yarn and 4.5mm crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot and chain 4. Two double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same chain. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same chain. We should have 5 total 3 double crochet or cluster. Cluster means 3 double crochet, so total of 5. And the last one. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and join. So this is the first round. Round 2. Chain 3. We'll come back to this chain 3, which space is over here. So we'll go to the next space right away, which is this one. So we'll work in all the spaces only. What I will do is 3 double crochet, all in the space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. This way we're expanding the circle, the granny circle. Into the next space, 3 double crochet or cluster. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same space. I will continue and then show you how to do the end of the round. And here I'm back to the last round where I started the chain 3. In this space I will make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. So 3 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and the chain 3 will be considered as a double crochet, and join. This is my second round. So on to the third round. Chain 3, in the same space 2 double crochet. In every space 3 double crochet or cluster. Only 3 double crochet in each space. So I'm at the end of round 3 and I will join to the beginning chain 3. Now in this round what I'm gonna do, chain 3. So in this first space I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. In the next space only 3 double crochet. I will alternate. In one space is double cluster, in the next space is only one cluster. Until the end of the round. So to keep the round flat or the circle. So here I'm at the end of round 4, where I did in the beginning space 2 double crochet and join to the chain 3. Now chain 3 again, 2 double crochet in the space, which is our first cluster with a chain 3, and in every space I'm gonna make cluster, which is 3 double crochet. So a cluster in every single space. This will help us expand the granny round again till the end of the round. Don't forget to look at the written pattern to follow properly. Now on to row 6, we're gonna start increasing the single clusters in a space. So chain 3. Now into the next space I'm gonna make a cluster, chain 1, cluster, all in the same space. So far it's the same. Three double crochet, which is a cluster. Now into the next 2 spaces I'm gonna make one cluster, which is only 3 double crochet. So now in one space we will do double cluster, and in the next 2 spaces single cluster, and we'll continue the same till the end of the round again. And again double cluster. Like this. So double cluster here, single cluster, double, single, single. Now I'm at the end of the round, so 2 double crochet in the last space, and join to the top chain 3. So now from row 7 till from round 7 till round 14, I'm gonna do only a single cluster, which is 3 double crochet in one space, and in every space only 3 double crochet in each and every space. So from round 7 to 14. This will shape the hat, initial shape, before we turn it into the bucket hat. So now I have finished row 14, and now for row 15 what I'm gonna do is chain 3, double cluster in the same space, which is 2 double crochet with a chain 3, chain 1 and 3 double crochet, and then 1 cluster in the next 2 spaces, and repeat, double cluster in one space and 1 cluster in the next 2 spaces. Like so until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the round. So now what I'm gonna do for the next 3 rounds is just a single cluster in every space for the next 3 rounds. And the last round is completed, and I will fasten off, and the bucket hat is ready. Later you'll hide the thread, and this is how it looks like. Very simple and cute granny stripes bucket hat. Very easy to achieve, and the written pattern is in the description box. So I hope you try it, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.